What's up, investors? Welcome back to the channel. We made some major changes to the portfolio. Let's get into it. 206,000. We're down 3% year to date. We are trailing the S&P 500 by about 4%, and that's okay. Let's get into what I bought and what I sold. So let's take a look into it. You will first see that I sold Alibaba. We made about $1,200 on that trade. Alibaba is sold from the portfolio, and we also sold Nike stock for around $10,000. We made about $100 to $200 on Nike as well. With those profits, I bought Microsoft, which tallies Microsoft up to a $50,000 position. Now let's get into it. So now this is what the portfolio looks like. It's much more concentrated. We still have FSPGX making up about 45%. Also have to remember that Microsoft is about 9% of FSPGX, so we need to add an additional 4% to this Microsoft allocation. So my portfolio is around 26 to 27% Microsoft. It will even out as we buy more Microsoft and add more individual stocks. I have more that I'm looking to purchase and add to this. But getting rid of Alibaba and Nike has freed up some cash flow because I want to buy this dip in Microsoft. Microsoft is around now a $50,000 cost basis at a $428 per share. I'm down 3,600, 7%. I'm okay with that. We are continuing to build this position. I'll break it down on the graph for you. Also, I'm going to continue to hold Starbucks, my Tesla position, and Google. I like those allocations. Home Depot, I also like as well for the long term, so I'm going to hold on to that as well. We are looking for another stock to potentially add. I want to show you in this video. So I've been researching MWH Solve Energy Class A. This is a stock that I'm thinking about potentially buying. It IPO'd last week. It went up to about $33, pulled back to about $29. And what is Solve Energy? Basically, it provides infrastructure services to the power industry in the United States. It offers construction, procurement, testing, commission, operations, and it specializes in designing, building, and maintaining utility-scale solar and battery storage projects. So for me, this is an interesting play with the AI revolution. This is going to be like the nitty-gritty for infrastructure. So I am thinking about adding shares of this. It's brand new, so I'm going to let the chart play out because there's not as much information on it. But when you go to the company website, I like what I see. When it comes to Microsoft, I look at this long-term chart, and what I'm doing is I'm buying the dip. We had a dip over here around 330 in the past and then blasted up to 552. Now we have this dip right here at $400 per share. If it goes down to about 370, I'm comfortable with this. I'll continue to add to my position, but for now, I'm not going to add any more to Microsoft. I'm going to let it sit, especially right before NVIDIA earnings, and I'm going to be looking for that push back up to about $480 in the middle of this channel. If we do get that move, even with my cost basis around 428, I do believe we can still make some good gains. The 20% move back up to about the middle of the channel. That's what I'm looking for, and if it goes a little lower, we will continue to dollar cost average it. This is Solve Energy, their official website. They talk about how they have constructed more than 500 power plants representing 20 GWDC of generating capacity since founded about 2008. So they're going to provide infrastructure to the AI, and I think it could be a potential play, so we need to look into this further.